Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zipline in Roblox Studio. First, let's gather our essential components. You'll need at least 2 main anchor points, like sturdy platforms, to define the start and end of your zipline. Make sure these parts are well anchored in your workspace to ensure stability. We'll then connect these points to form the path for our exciting ride. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful and fun zipline experience. Now, let's create the actual zipline cable. Insert a long, thin part into your workspace, perhaps a cylinder or a block, and scale it to span the distance between your 2 anchor points. This part will serve as the track. For smooth movement, consider using a cylindrical constraint if your cable is a cylinder, or a prismatic constraint if it's a straight line, connecting it to your anchor points. This ensures the player's trolley can slide along it. Next, we need a way for the player to interact with the zipline. Create a small, distinct part, like a handle or a seat, that will act as the player's trolley. When a player touches this part, you'll want to weld their character to it using a weld constraint. To make the trolley move, you can apply a body velocity to propel it along the cable, or use a prismatic constraint with a motor to control its speed and direction, ensuring a smooth descent. Finally, let's bring our zipline to life with a script and some fine-tuning. You'll need a basic server script to detect when a player touches the trolley and then activate its movement. Consider adding sound effects, like a whoosh and visual cues to make the experience more immersive. Test your zipline repeatedly, adjusting the trolley's speed, perhaps to 25 studs per second, and its starting position until it feels perfectly smooth and enjoyable for all players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.